Toyota recently revealed the 2018 Camry for its domestic market, Japan, and just like the CHR before it, styling kits from TRD and Modellista will be made available for the D-segment sedan. Starting with the TRD option, the Camry's front fascia features a black upper grille, while the lower bumper now sticks out further, and comes with additional LED lighting. Other components of the package include new wheels, side skirts and a modified rear end. By comparison, the Modellista kit is a little more mellow, with the main changes being a modified lower apron with a large central chrome accent, new wheels, side skirts and rear bumper. Toyota has yet to reveal what will go under the hood of the Japanese Camry, but it should include the US market's hybrid powertrain, consisting of a new 2.5-liter dynamic force engine with direct injection and VVTE. A non-hybrid 2.5-liter mill and a 3.5-liter V6 are also available for the US market Camry, along with a new 8-speed automatic transmission. For more updates, subscribe Moto Guru.